In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a template in Brevo. By the end, you'll feel confident opening your template, making clean, effective updates, and saving your work so it's ready for your next campaign. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to app.brevo.com. Sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're in, you'll land on the Brevo homepage. This is your starting point for managing content and keeping everything organized. From the homepage, look for the marketing option in the main navigation menu. Click it to expand the section. This is where Brevo groups the tools you'll use to manage and customize your campaigns, so it's a good place to remember for future projects. Next, click on Templates. This will open a page showing all your existing templates. Think of this as your personal library. You can scan through the list to find exactly what you want to work on, whether it's a recurring newsletter, a promotional email, or an announcement layout. When you find the template you want to edit, look for the edit icon next to it and click it. The template will open in editing mode, and you'll be able to modify text, images, and the overall layout. Brevo's drag and drop editor keeps this process straightforward, so you can rearrange elements without worrying about breaking the design. After the template opens, click the Edit Content button. This takes you to the main editing screen, where the real customization happens. Update headlines and paragraphs to reflect your current message, replace images to keep visuals fresh, and adjust spacing or sections to improve readability. Aim for clear, concise copy and consistent branding, so your email looks polished and professional. Take your time here. Small details like links, image alt text, and consistent font sizes help your message land well. If you experiment and decide you don't want to keep the changes, choose Quit without saving to exit without affecting the original. If you're happy with the edits, make sure to save before you leave. Saving ensures your updated template is ready to use in upcoming campaigns and keeps your team aligned on the latest version. And that's it. You've learned how to open, edit, and save a template in Brevo using a simple, repeatable process. With these steps, you can keep your marketing content current, on brand, and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy editing. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials.